Hi, in this video I will show you how to perform a step-by-step Hyundai Tucson firmware update. I will show you the simplest method of updating the sat-nav in Hyundai Tucson. First, turn on the system and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Next, press and hold the cock button for 5 seconds. And then tap Update. Check for the available version, and if there is a newer version, tap Upgrade.